Hello from Grand Valley Farm. It's April 23rd, 2025, and we're getting more chips. I'm going to change my plans of what I was going to do today. I'm going to fix fences, but I think I'm going to move some wood chips. Get snacks as I drive by. Really goat. Well, I think I better call it quits. Still got a little bit more up front that needs to be moved. I came a long ways. I'll get the golf cart back down here and feed, and maybe I'll show you what I've done. This is what we have left of the pile. And most of it moved. Started here at the end of the gravel and got down past the barn. So, not too bad. Anyway, I'm gonna get feeding these animals here. It is their dinner time. Well, everyone's fed. They're all set for the night. It's about 5 minutes to 7, and man, it's been a beautiful day. Still is. This blue sky, been warm. Yeah, I got a lot done today. These are the days I love. Well, hopefully tomorrow this is good. Well, thanks for watching. Catch you next time.